Welcome back to today's fun news. Today we are taking you to the land of majestic mountains, endless savannas, and some of the most breathtaking wildlife experiences on Earth, beautiful Tanzania. So sit back, relax, and get ready for a journey filled with nature, culture, and adventure. Tanzania is located in East Africa and is famous for its natural beauty and cultural richness. It is home to Mount Kilimanjaro, Africa's tallest peak, and the Serengeti, one of the most spectacular wildlife reserves in the world. With more than 120 ethnic groups, Tanzania is also a colorful mosaic of traditions, languages, and history. Let's start with nature. Tanzania is a paradise for nature lovers. Imagine standing at the base of Mount Kilimanjaro, the tallest freestanding mountain in the world. Climbers from all over come to conquer this snowy giant. But if hiking is not your thing, don't worry, Tanzania offers plenty of wonders on the ground. The Serengeti National Park is world famous for the Great Migration. Every year millions of wildebeest, zebras, and gazelles move across the plains in search of fresh grass. Lions, cheetahs, and crocodiles follow, creating one of the most incredible wildlife spectacles on the planet. And then there's Ngorongoro Crater, a natural wonder that feels like stepping into a giant wildlife kingdom. It's home to elephants, rhinos, and countless other species. Now let's travel east to the beautiful island of Zanzibar. Known as the Spice Island, Zanzibar is surrounded by turquoise waters and white sandy beaches. It's a dream destination for anyone who loves the ocean. You can explore Stone Town, a UNESCO World Heritage Site with winding alleys, bustling markets, and centuries of history influenced by Arab, Indian, and African cultures. And don't forget the spices, cinnamon, nutmeg, and cloves, which made Zanzibar world famous. Tanzania's culture is as vibrant as its landscapes. With more than 120 tribes, every region has its own traditions and music. The Maasai people are perhaps the most famous. Dressed in their red shukas, the Maasai live near the Serengeti and Ngorongoro. Their dances, jewelry, and way of life are admired worldwide. Swahili is the national language, and it carries a message of unity. You may have already heard some Swahili words. Hakuna Matata means no worries, and it truly reflects the Tanzanian spirit. If you are an adventure seeker, Tanzania has you covered. You can go on safari and watch lions hunt at sunrise. You can dive into the clear waters of Zanzibar and see colorful coral reefs. You can climb Kilimanjaro and stand on the roof of Africa. Or simply enjoy a hot air balloon ride over the Serengeti. Imagine floating above elephants and giraffes while the sun rises over golden plains. Food is another way Tanzania shines. Local dishes like ugali, a cornmeal staple, are served with vegetables, beans, or meat. You can try nyama choma, grilled meat, or enjoy fresh seafood on the coast. Zanzibar offers delicious coconut curries, pilau rice, and of course tropical fruits like mango, pineapple, and jackfruit. Every bite tells a story of Tanzania's diverse culture. Tanzania also loves to celebrate. The Zanzibar International Film Festival attracts artists from around the world. Music festivals like Saudi Zia Busara bring African beats to the shores of Stone Town. And traditional ceremonies among the Maasai or Sukuma people keep age-old customs alive. While Tanzania values tradition, it's also looking to the future. Tourism is one of the country's biggest industries, and millions of visitors come every year. The government is also working to protect its national parks and wildlife to ensure that future generations can enjoy Tanzania's beauty. So, what makes beautiful Tanzania unforgettable? It's the sight of elephants crossing the Serengeti. It's the sound of Maasai chants by the fire. It's the taste of fresh spices in Zanzibar. It's the feeling of standing on top of Kilimanjaro with clouds at your feet. Tanzania is a land where nature, culture, and adventure blend into one magical experience. It's not just a destination. It's a memory that stays with you forever. Thanks for joining us on this adventure with today's fun news. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more world wonders. See you in the next episode.